Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So children, do you remember what all things we have discussed on the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Baja. Tell me, Baja.
Yes, ma'am, about stratosphere and mesosphere.
Yes, yes. We have discussed about the layers of the atmosphere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our Earth's atmosphere, it is divided into 5 layers.
Yes.
Okay. Which are the one? Gopika, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, dear.
Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.
Yes, very good. Okay, so Earth atmosphere, it is divided into 5 important layers, starting from troposphere. Okay, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Okay, and Ihan, Ihan, can you tell me about troposphere? Can you explain about troposphere? Ihan, am I audible? I think his audio has some problem. Yes, Gopika, Parvati, Amrita, can any one of you? Yes.
It is the lowest. It is the most important. It is the lowest layer. It is the most
Yeah.
important layer of the atmosphere. Its
Yeah.
average height is about 13 kilometer,
Okay.
and the air we breathe on all
Exist on this layer.
this layer, and
Yeah.
almost all water phenomena, that is wind,
Weather. Almost all weather
weather
phenomena are
phenomena, that is
occurring.
wind, thundering, the upper
Yeah.
limit of happens in the upper limit of troposphere is called
Yes.
tropos. And
Tropopause.
tropos
Yes.
means change.
Yeah.
Then it increase with increase in height.
Yes, yes. Good. The temperature increases with the height.
Higher we
Very
go,
good.
the
Very
colder
good.
it is.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so children, troposphere. The word troposphere means change. Okay, because the weather conditions are constantly changing on this layer. Okay, and the air we breathe. Okay, it is a mixture of gases. We have studied it. We have studied the composition of air. So the air we breathe, it is a mixture of many gases. Okay, so in this layer, it is mostly connected with the biosphere. Okay, because it's closely connected with the life forms. Okay, and its average extension means its height extended till 13 kilometer, and almost all weather phenomena, that means rain, fog, hailstorm, okay, then
Thunder.
thunder, yes, yes, thunder, lightning, yes, yes, all these weather phenomena are occurring on this layer. Okay, and about the temperature increases. Yeah, so sorry. Yeah, temperature decreases with the increase in the
Basis in the
height.
increase in height.
Yes, yes. Any doubt in this about in this layer? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, Bhaja, can you tell me about the next layer? Just about the
Stratosphere.
troposphere, it is? Yes, it is
Stratosphere.
stratosphere.
Above the
Then,
troposphere, it is stratosphere. Strat means
yeah,
layer. It
yes,
protects
strat
us.
means layer.
Layer. It protects us from harmful rays of sun.
Yeah, this layer contain a layer of ozone
Ozone
gas,
gas.
okay, which protects us from the UV rays of the sun. Yes, yes.
And
Okay,
its
then
average height is 50 kilometer.
its average height is 50 kilometer, and
Aeroplanes are going.
Yes, yes. Why the aeroplanes can fly through this layer?
Because no clouds.
Ma'am, it is
Yeah,
free from
this layer
clouds.
is, yes,
It's
this
free from
layer,
clouds.
yes, it's free
And
from
weather
clouds
phenomena
and almost
aligning
all
for
weather
flying
phenomena.
aeroplanes.
Yes, yes. So this layer is means ideal for flying the aeroplanes because it's free from clouds.
Clouds.
Okay, and its average height is 50
50
kilometer.
kilometer.
Yeah. And in this layer, temperature increases. Temperature rises with the height. Okay, not like troposphere. This layer, the temperature is different. Okay, here the temperature increases with the increase in the height. Okay, then can any one of you can tell me about Afrin? Tell me about mesosphere. Afrin, am I audible? Sorry, Afrin, I can't hear you. Akash P. Unikrishnan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, mesosphere. Tell me about mesosphere. Akash.
And can I say,
Yes, yes. Tell me.
ma'am, the term meso means middle, and it
Yes,
is
the
the
term
coldest
meso,
layer.
it means middle. Yes.
And it is the coldest layer.
Yes, it is the coldest layer or the coldest temperature in the atmosphere. Yes, this layer has the coldest temperature. Yes, then?
Its average height is 80 kilometer.
Yes, its average height is 80 kilometer.
There are enough gases in this layer that cause friction and create
Yeah, that is about the meteoroids. Okay, meteoroids can travel easily through thermosphere and exosphere because there was lack of air. That means there was not much enough gases to cause friction. But when it hits on the mesosphere, that means, yes, in the middle layer, what will happen to them?
It creates cause friction.
Yes, it's some gases, okay, create friction, which causes heat, and the meteoroids will burn up.
in this layer.
Yes. Meteoroids, while entering on this layer, it will burn up. Okay. Is it clear, children? It is the coldest layer, coldest atmosphere, and its height is 80 kilometer. Its
80
average height is
kilometer.
80 kilometer. Meteoroids burn up while entering on this layer. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Then Karthik. Yes, tell me about thermosphere. Do we discussed about thermosphere?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. So we will study about thermosphere. Okay. So children, thermosphere. Okay, just above the mesosphere, it is thermosphere. Okay, the term thermo, it means heat. The term thermo, we know that the term thermo, it means heat. Okay, and it is means in this layer the temperature rises rapidly. Please note down the points, children. In this layer the temperature rises rapidly. It is very hot in this layer. Okay, the term thermo, it means heat. Okay, the temperature rises very rapidly in this layer with an increasing height. If the height is increased, the temperature rises very rapidly. And ionosphere, just note down the point, children. Ionosphere is a part of this layer.
Ma'am, can you say the spelling?
Spelling.
Yes. I-O-N-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. ionosphere, ionosphere, is a part of this layer. So I'll tell you about ionosphere. Okay, it is a layer of Earth atmosphere. It is a layer of Earth's atmosphere. Who is not muted? I can hear some sounds. Mute your audio. Okay, fine. So this layer of Earth atmosphere which contain
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
yeah, sure. Layer of Earth atmosphere which contain a high concentration of ions. High concentration of ions which able to reflect radio waves.
Ma'am,
Yes.
concentration of
Ions. IONS. Ions which
Ma'am,
able to
ions.
reflect which able to sorry children, I can't show you the slide. Okay, so that I'm reading the points. Okay, which able to reflect radio waves. Have you heard about satellites? Children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, radio. Ma'am, your
Ma'am, you're muted.
Your audio is muted.
Ma'am, your audio is muted.
Yeah. Now, am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, this layer, the term thermo, it means heat. Okay, and here the temperature rises rapidly with the increase in the height. The temperature rises rapidly. This layer has high temperature. Okay, and ionosphere, it is a part of this layer. Ionosphere means that, okay, it's a layer of atmosphere which contain a high concentration of ions, okay, which able to reflect the radio waves. Okay, we are transmitting the radio signals to the satellites. It is reflecting back to the Earth by this layer. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, its average height extends 80 to 400 kilometers. Yes. 80 to 400 kilometers. Yes, 80 to 400 kilometers.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
What about others? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Yeah, its average height is 80 to 400 kilometers. And this layer helps in radio transmission, the signals we are transmitting to the satellites. Okay, radio transmission. The radio waves transmitted are reflecting back to the Earth by this layer.
Ma'am, 80 to
400.
Thank you, ma'am.
So children, just listen over here to me. Thermosphere, the term thermo, it means heat. Okay, in this layer, the temperature rises rapidly with the increase in the height, and its average height, okay, extend till 80 to 400 kilometer. And the ionosphere. Ionosphere is a part of this layer. It means that okay, the layer of the atmosphere which contain a high concentration of ions, okay, which helps in radio transmission. Okay, we are sending means this layer helps in radio transmission. The signals, the radio waves transmitted through the satellites, means the signals are reflecting back on the earth by this light. Children, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Afridi, Anna, can you explain about it? Thermosphere.
Ma'am, thermosphere. Thermo means heat.
Yeah.
It extends between 80 and 400 kilometers.
Yeah.
This layer helps in radio transmission.
Yes.
In thermosphere, temperature rises very rapidly with increase.
Yes, the temperature rises very rapidly, yeah, with the increase in the height. Okay.
Ionosphere is a part of this layer.
Ionosphere, it is a part of this layer. Okay, high concentration of ions. A layer contain a high concentration of ions, which helps in which helps to reflect radio waves.
Transmission.
Yes. Okay. Okay, children. Then the last layer, that means the upper layer. Okay, it is exosphere.
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 And
Very thin layer.
yes, this layer has very thin air. Layer has very thin air. Mute your audio, children. This layer has very thin air. Light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the air, thin air.
Gases like
Helium and hydrogen. Light gases like helium. Yes.
This layer has thin air. After that?
Light gases like I can hear some sound from your home, children. Please mute your audio. Okay. Light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the space from here.
Ma'am, hydrogen or nitrogen?
Hydrogen. Since this exosphere, it is gradually fades into the outer space, there is no clear boundary for this layer.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once more?
So, children, there is no clear upper boundary. Still troposphere, we have discussed about the boundary of each layer, right? Okay, but for this exosphere, there is no clear upper boundary.
And because it is the last layer, right?
Yes. So children, we completed the details regarding all these 5 layers. Okay, so today yes.
What is the meaning of exosphere?
Okay, we have studied about intrusive and extrusive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same. Yes, the same. Okay, so children, just listen to me. Thermosphere. Okay, the temperature means rises very rapidly in this layer with the increase in the height. Okay, and its average height extended till 400 kilometer. Ionosphere is a part of this layer. Okay, which contain the layer which contain high concentration of ions, which helps in radio transmission. Okay,
Reflect radio
layer
transmission.
helps in radio transmission. Yes, and radio waves transmitted to the satellites is reflecting back to the earth by this layer. Okay, and exosphere, the upper layer, the uppermost layer of the earth atmosphere, it is exosphere. Okay, and
It has thin layer.
yes, the layer has very thin air and light gases like helium and hydrogen. Yes, float into the space from
Ma'am,
this
no clear
layer.
upper boundary.
Yeah,
No
it has
clear
no clear upper boundary.
Boundary.
Exo means out.
Out. Okay.
It is average.
Tell me, Albin.
Average optimal.
No, it has no clear upper boundary. Okay.
So no average, right, ma'am?
Yes. See, children, have you seen the notes which I have sent through the WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and till stratosphere, I think I had given. Okay, today I will send the completed notes.
Need to.
Yeah, only 2 layers. Okay, I had given. Okay, the other 3 I will means the completed notes today I will send to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Next, shall we move to the next portion? Any doubt in any of this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. So next, shall we move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So next we are going to study detail about weather and climate. Okay, weather and climate. Okay, children. Which seasons we are experiencing now in India?
Rainy season.
Rainy.
Yes, it's rainy season. That means monsoon season. Okay. How many seasons are there in India? Mainly, how many seasons are here?
4.
Is it 4?
Ma'am, 3.
3 seasons. Okay. See, children, in India, mainly we are experiencing 3 seasons. Okay, which are they?
Summer, winter,
Summer, winter,
Monsoon.
Summer, winter,
monsoon. And monsoon.
yes, summer, winter, and monsoon. Okay, so children, even if so, what do you mean by season? First of all, you tell me what you mean by season.
Seasons.
Climatic change.
Climatic change.
Climate will change every time.
Climate will change every time. Every time it is change.
The period of changing in the climate of a place is called seasons.
No, it's not clear, Efren.
Weather is the day-to-day condition.
I'm asking about season, not about weather.
Inland for fixed.
Can any one of you can tell me the exact definition for season? Children, listen to me. Okay, so we just discussed about there are mainly 3 seasons in India. Okay, so we know that from June to till September we are experiencing monsoon season, and after then till December. Okay, when it comes to December, till December we will experience winter. Okay, and during March, April, May we will experience the summer season, right? Is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So it means that it is a repeated process or a cyclical process, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the cyclical changes, yes, the cyclical changes in the weather. Okay, in the weather condition of a place, it is known as seasons. Okay, so when it comes to when it comes to May, we will buy umbrellas, raincoats, so that we know that from June onwards we will experience rain, right?
Monsoon.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, so it's a repeated process or it is a cyclical process. Okay, so the cyclical or the repeated process over an year. Okay, the changes. Okay, the repeated or the cyclical changes in the weather over a period of an year, it is called seasons. Okay, this one you have studied it before, you have forgotten it.
Yes.
Yeah. Or see children, so the repeated or the cyclical process, okay, the changes in the weather or the changes in the weather over a period of an year, it is known as season. So the question will come, what do you mean by a weather? Can you tell me? What you mean by weather?
Ma'am, day to day
condition.
Ah, yes, yes.
Atmosphere.
Even children, listen to me. Even now we are experiencing monsoon season. Till okay, we are experiencing. Some days it may be very hot. Okay, and sometimes it's windy. Okay, sometimes it is rainy. That means the the changes are happening in the weather. Okay, so the weather means that the day to day it is changing, or hour to hour. Okay, children. So weather means that, okay, it is the hour to hour or day to day change in the atmosphere. Children, is it clear to you? Even if we are experiencing monsoon season in India, but we are not experiencing heavy rain every day. Okay, means that every day from morning sometimes it may be very sunny and afternoon it may be rainy or windy. Okay, so that means that the weather changes. It is changing day by day or hour to hour. It is changing. Okay, so weather means that hour to hour or day to day change in the atmosphere.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, I think it's the time to wind up our class. So children, we have one more period today. We will discuss more about weather and climate on season in the next period. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.